Hello everyone, welcome back to Naturalhub. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for our overall well-being, natural remedies for detoxifying the body and cleansing it from poisons and toxins. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful content. Now let's jump right in. Understanding toxins. To kick things off, let's briefly talk about the toxins our bodies encounter daily. Whether it's from the food we eat, the air we breathe, or the products we use, toxins can accumulate and affect our health negatively. Hydration and lemon water. One of the simplest and most effective ways to start detoxifying your body is by staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins. Adding a squeeze of fresh lemon to your water not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts the detoxification process. Detoxifying foods. Now let's explore some detoxifying foods that can naturally cleanse your body. Incorporate these into your diet regularly for maximum benefits. Herbal teas. For detox, herbal teas are another fantastic way to support your body's detoxification process. Let's discuss a few teas known for their detoxifying properties. Body movement and exercise physical activity is not just for weight management. It also plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body. Sweating helps eliminate toxins through your skin. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Skin, brushing and dry sauna. 2. Additional methods to promote detoxification are skin brushing and using a dry sauna. Skin brushing helps stimulate the lymphatic system, while a dry sauna helps your body sweat out impurities. Mindful practices. Detoxifying isn't just about the body, it's also about the mind. Incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation and deep breathing into your routine to reduce stress, which can contribute to toxin buildup. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to natural remedies for detoxifying your body. Remember, these practices are most effective when combined, so feel free to mix and match what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite detox tip. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.